Do you know that you can basically template whole kitchen using this 360 laser? Today I'm going to show you how to use that laser to measure for simple windowsill. You don't need to have a expensive 3D laser. You can use that instead. So let me show you how to draw digital template using one of those 360 laser and a Quotum Studio. And don't forget to visit our website to download the software, and you can practice as much as you like. We're gonna open new job, enter the details, create a job. On the main screen we're gonna turn on the X guide. X guide will basically represent the laser line. We've got our green line, so let's draw first line. We're measuring from the laser to the front of the windowsill on the, let's say, right hand side. We have 582. Then we're gonna offset that laser line to 582. Then we're going to do the same on the left hand side, so we're gonna offset 742 to the left. 742, that's our lines. Let's say we're using now default line, so I will change this to a wall line, because what we have is these are the one lines. So now we're just drawing the front line, and this is our front line. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, we've got much more to show. Now let's say we're gonna measure the depth of this windowsill. So again, we're just gonna offset on the right hand side. Let's say we've got 255. We're just gonna offset 255, close the lines and erase that help line. Then we can add the measurements for distance. Let's say we have that, and then between these 2 points we have this. On the left hand side, let's say we're gonna have 248. So we're gonna offset 248 to the back wall, close that corner, erase the help line, and then let's draw our back line now of the window. Then we will add our dimension here, 248. Alright, so now the next step will be to make sure the back line left to right is also good. So we're gonna take our laser line as it is. Now let's get the measurements for this and for that, so we will know how much front and how much back side is. Okay, so we have that. Then let's say on the back side we are having 455, so we're gonna offset 745 to here. Then we will close the lines, erase the help line, and then just draw the line that is between the points. On the right hand side, let's say we have 599, so 599, we're gonna go to this line, then we will close the gap. We're gonna erase that help line, and then we will draw our line. So now I will add dimensions between these points. Okay, so we'll know we are on the right page. Okay, so as you can see, drawing the windowsill using the normal 360 line is very easy. What we can now do is we can hide the guideline, we don't need that dimension, and these dimensions are not needed. Actually, we don't need now any dimensions, to be honest. Right, so what we will do now, we will offset a couple of millimeters because the windows will need to have a space as well. So we're gonna select this tile, unpolished edge. We're gonna offset now the lines by let's say 2 millimeters. Okay, we're gonna offset this 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters, and the front, we will have the front polish edge overlapping the edge of the wall, let's say 20 millimeters. So we're gonna draw the perpendicular line, let's say 20 millimeters, based on this line here, and the same based on this one here. Now we can just close the corner either with the 5 millimeters radius. That's it, and we will do the same here. So that corners we need to close as well, so let's close them with a normal sharp close. There is no errors now. So if we will go on to the job done, we will save that job, and then if we will export this, we have beautifully done window sill. That's how easy it is to draw digital template using normal 360 laser. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, we've got much more to show. And don't forget to visit our website to download the software, and you can practice as much as you like.